Hey, welcome back to my channel. Leviton 49800CON Universal Fiber Optic Consumable Kit. From the manufacturer, Leviton's Universal Consumables Kit contains everything you need to clean and polish single-mode and multi-mode connectors. The kit includes lint-free wipes, alcohol pads, music wire, and 12-3 and 0.3 micron lapping film. All the basic supplies needed to clean and polish fiber optic connectors. 50 polyester wipes and 50 alcohol pads. 30-12 m lapping film, 33 m lapping film, 30.3 m lapping film. Piano wire. Commercial grade product line. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.